Howdy folks, I wanted to show you a requested product that I've designed. So my Leatherman Charge used to be my everyday carry, which replaced my Wave, and now I everyday carry the Leatherman Free P4, which I have a series of products for those, such as these holsters and these thumb tabs. I already had the holsters for the Wave and the Charge. However, I've had a couple customers request if they can get them for either the Wave or Charge, and so I designed this. So what this is, see if I have focus here. This is a 3D printed nylon part done in a professional laser sintered process, and it's designed to fit in to the cutout in either the Wave or the Charge. Now if you do have the Charge TTI, I have noticed that the SV30 blades got a little bit larger cutout. However, it works, it does fit. Just maybe end up having to resort to super glue. So how this is designed to attach is it's friction fit in the first place, and I'll show you that live in a minute here. And then it's designed to be secured by either some M2x4 set screws or number 1 72x532 set screws. These happen to come from McMaster, in which case you can kind of pick black or silver depending on which one you're looking at. Otherwise they're available on eBay, Amazon. So I've already installed it here on my Charge, so you can kind of see how they look and work. What they do is let you open the blade easier by simply having a little kind of pocket for your thumb to sit in, a little grip. And so you don't have to kind of dig your finger into the hole as much. So they come as a pair, already joined with some sprues. So this is like separating a model airplane. Take some flush cutters. Let's see, make sure I'm in focus here. And just simply snip the sprues as close to the body as you can. This is solid plastic, so you can file this if you want. Then take your Leatherman, simply press fit it in. So this is the press fit. You can see that they don't fall out. You can kind of push them out if you want to. So you can either set them with some super glue. If you do use super glue, you can actually remove them because this is nylon, and so if you need to, you can heat up the blade with a heat gun, and the super glue will soften before the nylon. So they are removable even if you super glue them in place. But since most people have super glue and not teeny tiny set screws, that's just an option I'm given. So to install them is pretty easy. In this case I'm going to use the M2 set screws just because they're silver and the tool is silver. Don't forget, if you do order set screws, to get yourself a really tiny Allen wrench to go with them. So we'll pull out 2 of these, put them on my little magnetic pad so they don't go flying. Alright, once they're at this point, insert it into the tool, and then finish screwing these in until they are flush. And they're flush with the kind of inside, kind of lowered face. Couple more turns. Alright, so that's installed. Doesn't come out very easy. It will kind of push out if you really push on it. So if you want to, you can back it up with some super glue. I found with normal use, I've used these now, use this almost every day since I've installed it multiple times a day. They stay in pretty good. Alright, so if you want to order these, they're available from my store on shapeways.com. Search for ZapWizard. They're available in 9 different colors. And so if you want a kind of 2-color set, 1 per blade, so you can figure out which blade's which on your Leatherman, you can order them in 2 different colors because they come joined. They have to be ordered that way. I look forward to seeing what everyone thinks of this.